turning again from the gutter. St. Martin. Yeah. Alright guys, go, keep it moving. Good driving, man. Yeah. Told you, dude. It's nothing to play with. Happen.
They should stay there. They should not go. I know, right? Yeah. That is
Oh shit! Ooh. That hurt. Oh yeah.
perfect timing now.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm seeing some good prospects on the beach.
No, Jamesy. I'm telling Alex. Yeah, that's exactly.
Do you have Snapchat?
What you're doing is exactly.
You need Snapchat. Oh, yeah, you need Snapchat. I'm gonna get it.
That's what it's made for. What you just recorded, you put it up on Snapchat. You just put it up. It's like, this is what we do, post it.
Yo, what's up? Like,
Snapchat. What you're doing is exactly what it's